Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share an unboxing of the Scrapping Fun Kits July kit. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can order the kit if you want to. The theme for this kit is Frozen. It has a lot of blue in it, blue and white. And although I don't have any Frozen fans in my family that I could use for the actual theme, I am sure that I'll be able to use these beautiful items for something else. Now we've got some flowers. There's two of the white flowers, one of the mauve flowers. There's a couple of buttons, or I can't remember their other name. Some ribbon, some nice silver ribbon. You'll receive a file so you can cut this Let It Go in any size that you would like. This beautiful snowflake die cut is included. These are all white. There's a blue tag. Be very handy for something, I think. Some baker's twine that is white with a silver thread through it. A piece of 1/2 inch blue ribbon with a nice flower motif in it. Some purple and pink and blue feathers type wool. Some gathered lace in a blue. Some of the longer type feather wool in a white. Some fine blue ribbon, very fine. A lovely little snowflake metal charm. A beautiful white doily. This is a self-adhesive foam ribbon. There's another one of those white flowers that I had at the beginning. And a packet of sequins and seed beads in blues and purples. There's also some washi tape. This is the same washi tape that was used to close the package. It's blue with silver star shapes. For the papers, we've got a piece of acetate that's printed in blue. Very pretty. We've got a purple scrolly type of print, and on the back of that we've got like a tree motif. This is a nice neutral blue, and so is this one. They go well together and will come in very handy. And the last paper is this purple. Blue and purple and silver look so great together. Oh no, there's another piece of blue paper there as well. I hope you have enjoyed looking at this kit. You can see that there's heaps of stuff in it, so it's well and truly good value. So if you want to order the kit, please click the link below and enjoy.